What's going on, guys? This is Alex with All City Detail. I service the LA, OC, and IE area, and today we're going to go ahead and go over my pricing and packaging. So if you guys are interested in listening to that, go ahead and sit tight. So I have, I believe it's six different packages.
6? All right. And what, can we start off with the first package? What is that package called and what does it consist of?
The first package is going to be my, it's called the original maintenance wash, the OG maintenance wash. That one is pretty much my entry-level package. It's where everything starts off. It's the maintenance wash. By maintenance, it pretty much means that you've either had a detail, you keep your car clean, or it's pretty much means that you've had a detail by me in the last 6 months or 3 months. You keep your car clean, or it's well maintained. It's not for vehicles that are really thrashed. It's just like a quick interior cleaning on the trim, a vacuuming, windows, tire dressing, and rims in the car wash as well. Basically just the bare minimum of a mini detail.
All right, and what's the next one up?
The next package is going to be my wash, clay, wax, and seal. That one's going to be like a little bit more extensive on the exterior. It's going to include a wash, it's going to include the clay, thorough wax but with a machine, and then a spray sealant on top just to lock everything in.
Perfect, and then can we get the next one?
The next package is going to be my interior detail. My interior detail is $250. That one is a full interior detail that includes headliner, seats, floor, trim, and interior windows.
Perfect, and that was the third one, correct?
That was the third package.
And then what is the fourth?
The fourth package is going to be my exterior detail. That one is the exterior paint enhancement. That one goes for $310. That one is pretty much going to be like the clay, wax, and seal, but it's not just going to be a protectant. The clay, wax, and seal is $180, and that one is only to clean and protect the surface. Now, the difference between that one and my exterior detail, which is the paint enhancement package, is going to be that with the paint enhancement package, I'm actually going to be refining the paint surface with a multi-step polish, so that way I can remove light scratches and swirls.
Awesome, and that's the fourth. What's the fifth?
The fifth package is going to be my full detail. So it's going to pretty much incorporate the interior detail with the paint enhancement, as well as cleaning the rims and rear wells pretty well, and giving it just a thorough good all the way around cleaning, with also refining some of the scratches on the outside.
Okay, yeah. Awesome. And that was the fifth?
That was the fifth.
So the last but not least.
All right, guys. So for my sixth package is going to be pretty much the exterior detail with the ceramic coating. That package is $1,600, and the reason it has that price tag is because I'm going to be calling in another detailer to help me complete the job. So we will be splitting the money, halfways. So that's why I have it priced at that, because I don't offer ceramic coatings on my own. I've never done a ceramic coating job before. I've done everything leading up to the prep, but I've never coated the car, which honestly is the easy part. I just never wanted to take that final step. So I do offer it, but that package is going to be $1,600. That's my final package.
So you have 6 total.
Yeah.
Your cheapest package is how much again?
$85.
And then your largest one is, you said 16?
$1,600. That one is more or less like it's like in, I guess, when companies say like beta, like when they're just trying it out. Like I just applied it because I can offer the ceramic coating. I know how to prep everything. I've just never coated a car. So I'm still waiting for a detailer, and if that's you and if you do coatings, drop a comment down below. Let's link up. Teach me how to coat these cars. I know how to prep them, but I need somebody to teach me how to coat them. I got the clients for it. I just got to pretty much, get the education on it. So if that's you and you want to link up, let me know. Let's get together and coat some cars.
Perfect. And what packages are your most common?
Most common, to be honest, is going to definitely be the OG maintenance wash. That one, everybody likes to maintenance their vehicles. It's the most affordable, and even though it's just a maintenance wash, it does go a long way, guys. So if you're somebody that has a thrashed car and you still say, hey, I've seen All City Detail do some pretty dirty cars, man, with that maintenance wash, and they come out pretty good, still hit me up. I'm still going to do what I can. It's the most common package, but if you feel like you need a detail, it's only going to benefit you if you do schedule the interior detail, so that way I could be that much more thorough.
Awesome. And which packages do you enjoy doing the most?
I enjoy doing the exterior paint enhancements. It's definitely a night and day change. You get it's kind of what got me into detailing. I used to grind and polish concrete, so when I polish paint, it's kind of like it takes me back to when I was doing construction and stuff, and it's a cool little process to do.
Awesome. So you basically you're applying to what you learned in a different business to this current one in detailing.
Yeah, because we would work with abrasives in grinding concrete. So when you work with polishing paint, you want to know how to work with abrasives to lower the clear coat, to refine and remove scratches.
Awesome. And have you had to, since you've been starting, you've been doing this for a while, have you had to raise your prices since then?
Yeah, man, I've raised my prices a lot of times, to be honest, and I'm not sure how my clients are seeing that, but I look at it like this, guys. I'm keeping up with the times. Gas has nearly doubled in the past couple of years, like doubled, straight up doubled, and my prices, have to continue to stay prorated with the times and expenses of driving a vehicle, service charges on maintaining my vehicle, and gas and just everything.
Awesome.
So yeah, so when stuff gets more expensive, it reflects on every mobile detailer's pricing.
Now, when you did raise your prices, did you have some clients that you've been working with for a while? Did you lose any? Did they understand what happened?
To be honest, I did lose some clients. A lot of them I feel don't understand, and I can't take the time out of my day to educate them. I know a lot of people might want to do that, but at the same time, I just need to continue growing and focusing on my business. You know what I mean? I can't try to sell a steak to somebody who wants chicken nuggets.
Right. And we were talking a while ago, and you were saying that there's a lot of expenses that go into detailing. Can you touch up on some of those expenses?
So some of the expenses are definitely going to be servicing the vehicle, making sure that the vehicle is capable of moving all of this weight. That water tank behind me is about 1,000 pounds. You got the generator, the pressure washer, 5 gallons of gas, maybe 13 gallons of chemical, and then you got 2 bodies in there, like, you know what I mean? So it can definitely take a lot of gas. It could take a lot of expense on maintaining your vehicle, tires, going to the detail store to fill up the water tank, and then going to the client's house to do the job. It's the biggest expense is going to be the gas, for sure.
And so with your clients, you're telling me that they're pretty much all through Instagram, right? You contact them through DMs. How do you quote people? Do you quote them by seeing pictures? Do they just tell you what package they want? How does that work?
That's one of the things that I gotta focus more on. I can honestly say that in the beginning, I focused on just detailing, and for the first couple of years, but now I'm taking my focus more to the business side of things. Gonna start focusing on marketing. Gonna start focusing on business structure, on how to actually give more accurate pricing quotes. Because just like a detail that I recently did, I charged $85 for a maintenance wash. I didn't see no pictures. I just pull up. That's what they wanted. I pull up, and then it needs an interior detail. But I don't really trip on that too much. What I do is I just go and do the job, do the maintenance detail the best I can, and then just explain to them that hey, they need to have an interior detail or an exterior detail. You know what I mean? Just educating them on pretty much what is needed.
Awesome. And in this line of work, since you're your own boss, since you decide and dictate what the prices are, do you get clients always asking for discounts, or lowballing you?
Nobody will ask for a discount, but I do believe that they say if they can just maybe touch this up real quick, or oh, I saw this right here. But I think a lot of times they don't understand that in order to touch that up right there, or to see that right here, we gotta plug in maybe the extractor, fill it up with water, and let it heat up, break out some other chemical. Like if it takes a couple sprays from a squirt bottle, then it's all good. But sometimes they try to throw in a couple more services low key that might not seem like a big deal. I mean, it's not that I'm not being grateful for their business, but the way they see it, I think, is like they see it as no big deal. But to be honest, this is not easy work, guys. We're not magicians. We're mobile detailers, and at the end of the day, it's labor. You know what I mean?
I gotcha. And do you ever have clients that have multiple cars? If so, do you offer a discount for them?
I do offer a discount if your car is clean. You know what I mean? If your car is clean, there's no other really way to get a discount from me. You know what I mean?
I gotcha.
I do hook up people though a lot. I do hook up people a lot for loyalty stuff. If they're hitting me up all the time, then it's like, and they're having me come through, they're keeping me busy, then it's only right to show them some love. But I'm only showing them love because they're keeping me busy, they're keeping me and my family fed, you know what I mean? Keeping the bills paid.
I gotcha. And you know, I would say, because you're telling me that there's this huge increase, this influx of new detailers out there. Would you say that, you know, your prices are what keep clients, or would you say it's your craft?
I would say it's not my craft. Everybody can clean. I think it's my attention to detail. You know what I mean? My attention to detail is probably going to be one of the main things that I can say is pretty thorough, because when it came to construction, the type of construction I would do is we would make sure to, before we seal a concrete floor, you have to get all the dust off the ground. So I'm used to vacuuming up stuff that the eye can't see. So I have that attention to detail, you know what I mean? And same thing with the paint. When we polish that floor, it can't have no scratches, just like the paint surface. So I have that attention to detail. So I think just being thorough, be thorough on the rims, be thorough in the interior, and you know what I mean? And just go over everything twice, and your clients will love you. Your clients will love you, and they'll see that you take pride in your work, and they'll call you back, and they'll recommend you to their friends and family, because they're not going to make them look bad.
I gotcha. Yeah, I'm sure it's like, I don't know if this has ever happened to you, but I mean, that would sound pretty awful where, you know, you get done cleaning a job, you spend hours on it, and, you know, the client's looking at the car and they're like, hey, you missed this, you know? I'm sure that doesn't feel very good, huh?
Yeah, it doesn't feel good, but it does help you learn more to be on top of things. And that's probably where I got it from. Maybe that, I can't call a specific time where they called me out on it, but just like a couple of times when we were working together earlier, you know what I mean? I even saw a spot that I missed, but you want to make sure that you go over everything twice. You know what I mean? Alrighty, guys, there you have it. I'm All City Detail, and those are my pricing and packages. You can hit the link in the bio on my Instagram. If you need my Instagram, it's All City Detail. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I cover the LA, OC, and IE areas, so don't be scared to hit me up. I will pull up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below.